The Coco plugin, found within the built-ins, within the container plugins and your container folder, allows us to copy containers. And this is one way that we can create or copy mass amount of containers. So if we wanted to, all we would need to do is use this on any type of container. It could be a 3D object, it could be an image, it could be a font. I'm going to go ahead and just group this, and let's say we want to make a lot of copies of this sphere object. So what we can do is go into our container plugins, grab the Coco, and just drag it right onto our sphere container. Now I'm going to go into the Coco properties editor here, and the first thing that we have are our number of copies. So here you can say however many copies you want. You can give it 1 to 1,000, however many. We'll do 25. And then we can select how we want it to copy within the scene tree. Is it going to be on the same, which means it's just going to copy it as a standalone container, or is it going to go down? If you select down, it's going to be a subcontainer of this container that has the Coco on it. So let's select same. And then down here, we can give it a starting index. So if we don't want it to start at 0, we can just want it to start at 1. We're going to say start at 1, and that way every container that we copy, it's going to number it accordingly, starting from this count here. Then we can come down and just give it a name. So if we want to just call it sphere, we can, and it's going to include that name along with the starting index. Now all you have to do is come down and hit execute, and that will take care of it. Depending how your scene is set up or how you're launching the scene tree level, if it is in a container, you'll want to just close the container for a second and reopen it, and you can see that when you do reopen it, you have 25 copies of this sphere. Now since you no longer need the Coco, you can drag that right to the trash if you want to get rid of it. When you do drag the Coco to the trash, it will get rid of the plugin but not anything else within the container. So using the Coco, that's one way to copy and or create many containers within your scene tree.